Okay, hi and welcome to Rome. I'm going to give you a quick tour of room 504, which is my room at the InterContinental Rome. So, stepping in this twin room, you have a bathroom immediately to your left. There's no tub, it's a bidet toilet. Very nice shower, if you can see there with the reflection, 2 shower heads. There I am, sink. And these are your toiletries by Fredo, a Scandinavian brand, I'm reliably informed. Some Roman inspired art over there. Then walking into the room itself, little desk space, television. There's some booze on ice, which I will drink with my friend after I film this. Here is your twin beds, or here they are. Super comfy again. Slept really soundly here. It's a very purposefully plain space. So complimentary tea and coffee making facilities and water. You've got treats there at the charge, glassware. Your mini bar is in here. Got all the standards and some Italian brands. And then also, very nicely with this room, you have not one but 2 balconies. We're in a really nice district right by the American Embassy and lots of other posh hotels. It's not too hectic, unlike a lot of Rome. There's our other balcony there. There's a bit of the view. So great location. I found service to be really good as well, and they additionally have a very nice rooftop bar called Charlie's, where we had Aperol Spritz last night and enjoyed a very good view of the sunset. So there you go. This is a twin room at the InterContinental Rome.